Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today, we will be practicing drawing a figure in motion, a human being in motion, and we will be practicing how to draw a human being throwing an object. So, we are essentially showing something like perhaps somebody tossing a spear or a ball or any object. So to begin, we will lay down some basic lines. I need to determine my work area there. So I have one line running at a slant like this. Please use very light strokes. 2 circles round about there. 1 circle here. One sort of oval here, and as you might have guessed, that will form the head, the shoulders, that is the torso. And according to your idea, that is the hip area. Position 1 circle right there. And 1 circle in the same area, and extend 2 lines like that. 1 line for the arms, a circle for the elbow, forearm, and the hand. The second hand can be at any position because the second hand is not necessarily holding something. Our focus is this hand that will be grabbing the object in question. So now this is our basic skeleton, and as you have guessed, the top part of the body, the hips, legs, head, arms. Please take your time in doing this because the laying down this as accurately as possible is very important. It is mostly rough work, but it will be very essential in forming your artwork. Now, around this skeleton, we could literally construct anything. So, according to your own idea, again, you can practice with different things. So I just thought of a baseball player, say. So and I believe it'll be something along these lines. And we'll just put a ball in there. Now, your artwork doesn't have to be a baseball player, as long as you had the skeleton right. This could be anything. It could be a Spartan tossing a spear. It could be a more muscular frame. And then, of course, you could incorporate details as you move along. So I would recommend practicing different figures using this skeleton itself. So the idea again is skeleton in motion, something like that. And as long as you have the skeleton more or less proportionate enough, like the legs longer, arms shorter, torso so much, head proportioned so much in proximity to the torso, you will be doing fine. I would recommend practice, and you will get better as you keep practicing. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. We will be putting out more videos. Have yourself a wonderful day.